The ED75 was the standard locomotive for the AC or alternating current sectors. It was the most widely built AC locomotive in Japan. Once the high voltage alternating current was drawn inside the locomotive, the voltage was reduced and the electricity had to be converted into a direct current to drive the traction motors. Let's see how this was done. First, the pantograph collects the 20,000 volt alternating current. The voltage is then reduced by the internal transformer. The transformer acts like a substation, so to speak, allowing the direct collection of high voltage electricity. The voltage flowing to the traction motors can be regulated with the tap changer, which alters the number of turns in the transformer. The silicon rectifier then converts the alternating current into a direct current. The direct current is then made smoother with what is known as the main smoothing reactor and flows to the motors which drive the locomotive. We see two flows of electricity. The electricity that is passing through the overhead lines and rails back to the power station, and the electricity that is used to propel the locomotive.